Tom DeLong, I'm still waiting for you to comment on that interstellar object that is zipping through our solar system. It feels like every week there's a new update, and this week it is that NASA have released the best yet photos of the object and are insisting that it's a comet and not aliens. But the guy who is a Harvard professor is still saying that we don't have enough information to make that judgment. And that it might be another few weeks before there's enough data to say for sure. It occurs to me that in a few weeks, it could be Jesus coming back just in time for his birthday, if they consider that as a third option. I'm Camfield, this is Pierce the Veil on Box 94.9.
About that. All right, so that was last hour. This hour I want to talk to you about how misdirection is being used, again, to divide us. And it's dividing us because we don't know what the real issue is. We haven't figured it out. This week, we've talked about Donald Trump and Epstein. We've talked about Larry Summers and Epstein. We've talked about, Jasmine Crockett and Epstein. And all of it really is just really stupid stuff, politically incompetent. Why? Why are we talking about this? Well, there's a couple of reasons, I think. And I'm not really sure which one it is. One, we're just stupid, and we like cakes and circus. That's it. We just like the circus of it all. We like the spectacle, and so it's a game to us, and so we just play this game. And I don't like that one, but it's possible. The second one is we're being manipulated with misdirection, and we have no idea we're being manipulated. And we're being manipulated in a way to where they give us this to argue about so we don't see the real issue. Well, let me show you where I think the real issue on Epstein actually is. And how this one you can find out about, and people will go to jail if we focus. We'll do that here in just a second. Also going to take